Hi folks, it's time for another Military FamCamp review, and this time we're in South Central Tennessee near the town of Tullahoma. In this video we're going to be reviewing Arnold Air Force Base FamCamp. And as I said, the FamCamp is located in Tullahoma, Tennessee, and it's a great place to stay if you're visiting the area. The Jack Daniel's Distillery is just 15 miles away in the sleepy little hamlet of Lynchburg. You may also want to visit beautiful Rutledge Falls and the Beechcraft Aviation Heritage Museum, both of them in Tullahoma. Hi, I'm Ricky from RV Underway. If you enjoy the RV lifestyle and all the adventures that come along with it, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell for notifications, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, leave us a comment, and share our videos. We certainly would appreciate it. Arnold Air Force Base FamCamp is a small campground located a few miles off base on Woods Reservoir. It has 36 RV sites, 16 tent sites, and 14 boat slips. It is well maintained and offers a lot of shade. All sites are level concrete slabs equipped with 20, 30, and 50 amp electric and water. There is no sewage hookup, but there is a dump station in the park. The RV sites have a grill, a fire ring, and a picnic table. There is a small boat ramp in the park, but a full-size boat launch is located within 2 miles. The FamCamp also has a bathhouse with showers and restrooms, a covered pavilion, and a playground. There are no laundry facilities, but you'll find more amenities nearby on base. Now here's a few more helpful tips. Arnold Air Force Base FamCamp is a very popular campground, so it's important to make reservations in advance, especially if you're planning to visit during the peak season. The campground is located in a densely wooded area, so your satellite or Starlink may not be able to connect. There is Wi-Fi available, and you can get the password from the office or find it posted right there on the bathhouse door. We had 3 to 4 bars with our Verizon jetpack. The campground is pet friendly, but pets must be on a leash at all times. Arnold Air Force Base is a great place to visit if you're interested in aviation. There are several museums and historical sites in the area, as well as a number of outdoor activities to enjoy, such as hiking and fishing. So overall, we highly recommend Arnold Air Force Base FamCamp. It's a great place to stay with a beautiful view and quiet wooded surroundings. The staff is friendly and very helpful. Well, folks, thanks for watching our review of Arnold Air Force Base FamCamp in Tullahoma, Tennessee. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more FamCamp reviews and hundreds of other RVing videos. Ring that bell for notifications, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and do share our videos. We certainly appreciate it. And until I see you again, fair winds and following seas.